Hey guys, this is Ava from Ava vs. Dylan, and today I'm going to be making a clear slime video because I haven't made clear slime in a while. So first I'm going to turn on the lights because it's very bad lighting in here. Sorry. There we go. Here's 11. So let's get the things that I got. We have this packet. Has this stuff in it. I'm going to use the yellow today. So I'm going to cut through this like it says to. There. Cut the top open. Now time to get into it. Time to pull it all out. A little. Yep, that's all. Whoa, these are big too. Look at that. So I'm gonna get out this one. Guys, I just got home from gymnastics. Yeah, this is the other side of the trailer. There we go. Got this stuff. Move this to a side and get this stuff. Alright. Just in case. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, perfect. Gonna add in little good. I'm just adding a little I'm gonna go on by this. Good on big coward.
You can get stuff going for the kids for dinner. Start getting
That's perfect.
plates and all that stuff.
That might be enough to use half the bottle. Not so that bad. Oh, I forgot. I needed a spoon.
Do you want your pulled pork on a bun, or do you want to just eat it plain?
Like a sandwich, buddy?
Dylan!
You just held her on a sandwich, Bob.
I got something to mix with. So, let's open this. Put this in. That's it.
That's done.
Put this
You want
back.
to done a sandwich, Ava?
Yes, please.
Do you want coleslaw on it?
No,
You want barbecue sauce dumped over it?
I'm good. Just that.
You want coleslaw on the side?
Sure. Guys, it's so pretty. I love this color. So now we're gonna add the baking soda. Okay, that's enough. A little bit too muchy. It's gonna be such a good slime. It's the best slime ever made in my life.
Hey, D.
Dylan, come up to the table to eat, buddy. Dylan! What? Come up to the table to eat. Aren't you starving? No.
And is your iPad that loud that you can't hear us talking to you?
No.
Do you want coleslaw?
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure it's not too watery when you put it on there.
know what? I'm going in with my hands no matter what.
Mom, and I want grapes.
Okay, bud.
I think this is enough.
And I want, what's it called again? Doritos.
Well, Doritos is not for dinner, sweetheart.
Please said I can't.
Well,
Come on, a few, right?
Can I
Carry
have?
that chair?
Can I have a few?
Few.
What?
Few.
Okay.
they won't eat a few. That's the problem.
I'll only give them a few. I won't put it out to be a free-for-all. Do a few, but you have to eat the rest of your dinner.
Okay.
Get up to the table like your dinner's ready, sweetheart.
Okay.
Salt, potato, oh, you got a
Let
minute?
me just. So guys,
Hey, bud.
here's a slime.
They should be fine. And if they have seeds in them, just tell me, okay?
Okay.
They're new, so.
You guys want to catch up on your salt, potato?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Is that one of them?
Here it is, guys. This is a starter pack. I'm not a starter. I just like buying the starter packs because it has clear glue and all that stuff added with it. So guys, hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button. See you guys next time. Goodbye.